Buat bojoku ini kan harganya how much this price?
14 something.
13 something. Yes, Mandira. I still break the money. 14,000.
14?
About the date 24.
14?
14. I give you bonus 500. Okay?
Not okay.
What?
Bayar rumah 7.
You pay rent. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay. Bayar pakai apa, we?
IPS.
UPS is okay. Jadi ATM ya.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. The black one.
Yep.
Have a bonus? Bonus?
So,
No bonus only. Please. I want.
ready? Bongkar-bongkar.
Okay, enggak, di change dulu.
Change, no change, change.
Change.
Change what?
Oh. I close.
Oh, upload. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. You've got the USB-C charger at home, right? And then about the Apple Plus, also need to run me through a little bit. So let's say if you don't have the Apple Plus, the price of repairing your screen damage will be 3 to 9, and accidental damage will be 5 to 4. Okay, and then with the Apple Care, 1899 will be covered 2 years.
But this is
Or
we pay again.
unlimited.
But we pay this.
Yes.
So 15,000. If I take this.
Yes.
If not,
If not, then 13599. That would be 1 year quality warranty.
Oh. not have
Okay, no problem.
the money. Like
Take care of it because this is within 2 years. I can tell.
yeah.
Okay, so 134.
Yeah.
13599.
Yes.
Kasih.
Say this.
The money is boss take. Oke teman-teman, kita jajan. Oke, jajan.
Bayar. Gesek menggesek. Sekarang
Okay. I don't think you want to.
Oke teman-teman, sekali lagi ya karena youtuber ya. Dan ini karena kemurahan hati Mbak Bojo. Nah ini dia Mbak Bojo, bos yang bayarin. Bos yang bayarin kan?
nggak mau broken.
Ini bayarin. Oke, jadi kita lagi dibayarin Mbak Bojo. Oke.
Anthony. And I think it's Sandro.
Yes.
Yes, it's up here.
You can subscribe. Thank you.
Jabrik.
From which part of Indonesia?
Yeah.
Is Java.
East Java.
Yeah. You go
My
to
grandmom is from Surabaya.
grandmom.
Yes, grandmom.
Wah,
But I don't speak any.
wah, you grandmom. So you have a blood of Indonesian.
Yes. Maybe I can put in Okay.
But your parents born in Hong Kong too.
Yeah.
Your grandma from Surabaya.
Surabaya. Yeah. Like really Surabaya.
Wow.
No Chinese blood from there, but then when
Wow.
she came here, she got all the
For I think the Wagyu. Wagyu. Yeah.
Wagyu.
Yeah. Your
Exactly.
Wagyu.
Wagyu.
Yeah, yeah, Wagyu.
And you're here for long?
10 years. My wife 20
So
years.
you're Hongkonger as well. You know I have
I'm still young kan. Oke, teman-teman.
So should I send you?
Oke ya, cukup sekian saja. Sekian, Buyan, selesai. Cukup sekian, ini The Big Boss memberikan.
Bongkar-bongkar.
Ntar lagi bongkar-bongkar ya. Kita cek dulu. Oke.
Yeah. So as you can see, right? So 2.5 right here. This one got
Oh, still have.
3 times. And you see even though it's long,
Yeah.
And then when you do this, it goes to 15 times. How much can you do?
No,
12.
12.
Yeah, so you can see the,
Very good.
very close up.
Yeah.
So if you need to look at Blackpink, you can do so. And then with this, we got the cinematic mode as well. It's missing here. So what this does is that if you're selling a product, you can just be like,
Yeah. And then this.
yeah, everything blurred out,
Yeah.
and this is a video
Yeah.
that acts like a movie. And of course, this one 48 ME if you use the one-time camera here.
That's why I want the change.
Yes.
This is have a time limit. But I don't know. In 15 this year come out 15.
I don't know. We'll see.
But your job is make sure everything is clear and finished and sales like that.
I mean, it is whether you need it. Right?
Yeah. This is a black.
Yeah, it's the black one. And then a lot of people like the black one.
Black and red. That's how much color is red. Black.
And do you know how to play with this little dynamic island?
No.
Yeah, so basically right now, not too many applications can use it yet.
Can you change the English because I don't understand the Chinese
You
language.
will understand at least the interface of it. So
Understand if I have this, yeah. Okay. If I buy, I can understand it. Oh yeah.
Sometimes if you call over, this will show a little car. Alright?
And 1 tera. Just
Not as damaged.
yeah.
So 14 Pro Max space like 1 terabyte.
Pension guys, retirements. This
Show them the front camera.
and we change the new one. This from this go to this.
Same one.
Huh?
Same iPhone.
Same iPhone what?
This one and this one is same.
Yes, this is the same iPhone, but this is a 14, this is a 12. You understand? And then 1 tera, and this is only 512 tera, but 512 mega. Gigabyte. So we need to up the level.
And the boss is here. Do you want me to take a video?
No need.
We need to level up. You understand?
Pilih Pro Max 14 opo sapi?
Pro Max 14
Why?
because it make money.
Make money?
Yes.
Sapi no make money?
Maybe in no, but still need the time 1 year or 2 years. But if we next month we can make money. Clear. For up 20 in the date 21, 22, 23, my money is give you back and finish the same this price. Okay, I have.
Pro Max guys. Nah, break. Nah, ini Jupun jajan barang atos. Barang atos. Atos jajanan ya, atos. Oke, darling.
You need to wait for a long time for the data to transfer.
1 hour? No need?
Maybe more.
More
Because
than?
he has so many things. So at least maybe 3 to 4 hours.
Wow.
4 hours?
Yeah.
Not very fast. I think very fast. Before.
No, because you have many stuff in it. So right now what you can do is go back. Okay. Yeah, you got 200 gigabyte of stuff in it. So
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Kita bayar lagi cash. Dan Anda membayar rumah hari bulan depan. Bulan ini Anda yang membayar rumah.
Suruh ngemper ah.
Mana nanti?
Suruh ngemper sih ah.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my